50. Guitar solo.
Sideways. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Trust me, you'll go far. 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30. You know who we are. 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45. One more time, let's take it to the top. He's the star of the show. 10 5s are 50.
Rock and roll. Oh, yes, high five.
Crank it up.
I am the 4 times table. Calling all fours to the dance floor. 4 on the floor, and 1 more 4 than the 4 before. That's what 4s are for, to get funky on the dance floor. 4 on the floor, and 1 more 4, that's 24, 28 and 32. Now 1 more 4 is here to make you dance. Get down, get in the groove with 36. Be there, be square, when all the 4s are on the floor. Here's 40, 40, 10 4s of 40. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. We know how to